Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to download Game Turbo on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the web browser on your smartphone. Now from here, just search Game Turbo. Now from here, just open this website. Now from here, just wait a few seconds, then tap on Free Download. Now from here, tap on Free APK Download. Now from here, tap on this X icon. Now from here, just tap on Download again. Now from here, tap on Details. Now it will take a few seconds to download the APK. Now from here, tap on the APK and tap on Install. Now from here, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Agree. Now as you can see, we have downloaded Game Turbo successfully. Now from here, if you tap on this settings icon, now from here, just make sure you enable gaming mode. Now from here, tap on optimization and make sure you enable these options: optimize performance, bandwidth allocation, and enhanced sound. Now from here, just go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on use toolbox. Now from here, you can enable the DND option. It will enable do not disturb mode when you're playing games. And this is how you can download Game Turbo on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.